Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back aboard the Funk Punk Beatbox Powered Hip Hop Orient Express train. We hope you enjoyed your stay in Citronica, and we will be arriving at the next station very shortly. While we get there, we will be providing you with lots of drinks and assorted snacks coming on the trolley down, and we will also be playing you some beats from the wonderful, brilliant mind of the Orange Enthusiast. We hope you have a safe ride, and you please buckle your seatbelts as we are a train that has open doors. Why would a train have open doors? It's a budget restriction.